This is going to be our prediction for the day on our gold. So let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for the day. But first and first, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Make sure you like and share. Also, make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's start with our trend on gold. So you can see right here, we have the main trend and we have the current trend. So we are going to first analyze what the main trend is. Now, to understand the main trend, you need to go to your daily time frame and zoom it out. What can you see right here on your main trend? You can clearly see that on our main trend, we are in an uptrend move. So it is very clear that market is what is trending to the upside. This is a very much clear bullish move right here. Our main trend says that market is on an uptrend move. It's trending to the upside, right? Now, if you have to zoom it in also here, you see that within this main trend, we are having this main trend here also, which is the higher high. So which is an uptrend move. So this is the high, and here comes the higher low. Now this is also the higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Now this is also a new higher high. Then here comes the higher low. Here is our new higher high, and this is the higher low, which kind of give us like a coach, right? You all know a coach, what a coach means. Once you see a coach, you know that it is a reversal movement, right? Market is changing the movement from that uptrend to now a downtrend move. Now that we got to that reversal movement, markets eventually give us this pullback, and now we will be expecting market to continue to drop till it is able to give us a new low, thereby taking out this low. So this is to tell you that another sell for the day is what we are going to be expecting on our gold. Now let's zoom it into the 4 hour time. So let's start with our trend, which is the current trend. So this is our low, this is our lower high. This here is the lower low. And here comes what? The lower high. Now that we've got to this lower high, right? Now we will be expecting market to drop to form a new lower low. So basically right here, it is just an equal low, right? So just expect a little bit of a pullback and then one more drop that should give us a new lower low. So the bearish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on gold. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.